Let me know when. Hi, I'm Austin McRobbie. I just want to tell you real quick, I just finished a workshop with Lynn Hare, and let me tell you, it was fantastic. I came into it not exactly sure what was in store for me. I know in so many Christian workshops where it's just been all information and nothing really at the heart, but let me tell you, this workshop was different. I mean, Lynn had a way with her stories and her vulnerability and her content to draw everybody in the room together, myself included. And she shared with us how to be empowered, how to grow with God, and how to pursue the future that we're really meant to have. And I just had a moment at the end where I was just in tears because it touched me how much God really loved me and cared about me. And I had a group of people to experience that with. So I'm so thankful for this workshop, and I'd highly recommend it to anybody looking to work smoothly through a transition or get more of God's voice in their life.